All right, here we got a EG530 2024, new unused. This one has a Kubota diesel, 18 horsepower engine, runs super smooth, has a ton of power, 45-inch bucket on the front. It's a nice machine right here. I'm gonna run it around for you. And yeah. So the diesels, you got to preheat, let them do their thing real quick. Come down and check it out Friday before the auction, which will be the 27th, I believe, of September, from 9 to 4. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.